The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, I hope that all of you are doing very well today. We have already studied about adjectives. What is an adjective? Adjectives are describing words. They tell us more about a person, place, animal or thing. Adjectives describe nouns in different ways. They describe a noun by color, shape, size, texture. Look at some examples. For color words, you can describe an object like red, green, pink, purple. For example, a red light was glowing in the dark. We painted the house green. Meena likes purple grapes. Who is the girl in the pink dress? Here, adjectives are described using colors. For size of an object, you can describe like small, tiny, large, huge. For example, draw a small circle. Rahul has a large family. The baby has a tiny face. There's a huge number of people there. Here, adjectives are described using size. For shape of an object, you can describe like round, square, oval. For example, we bought a round table. Tom drew 2 squares on the blackboard. The handle is oval in shape. Here, adjectives are described using shape. Texture is how something is felt. So, if we touch something, how does it feel? If I touch my hair, how does it feel? Is it sticky? If I touch my skin, how does it feel? Now, we will see some examples. For texture of an object, you can describe like bumpy, dry, wet, smooth. Tom is wet. I live on a bumpy street. This is Ria. Her skin is smooth. We see dry leaves in a garden. Here, adjectives are described in texture. Children, now would you like to do a funny worksheet? Great. Look at this worksheet. Do you see lots of empty balloons? And do you also see many words written on the top of the worksheet? Great. First, you are going to write each word inside a balloon. Remember, write only one word in one balloon. After you have written all words, look at the box that's called color code. Do you see that box? Great. In the box, can you read what it says? Let's read it together. Adjectives of color blue. Adjectives of color blue. That means if your balloon has an adjective of color names, then you have to color that balloon blue. Write the names and then you have to color it blue. Adjectives of size green. That means if your balloon has an adjective of size, for example huge, large, tiny, small, then you have to color that balloon green. This way. Adjectives of texture. Red. If your balloon has an adjective of texture, how something feels to touch, then you should color that balloon red. Adjectives of shape pink. If your balloon has an adjective of shape, for example round, square, oval, then you have to color that balloon pink. This way you have to do this activity. That's all for today. I will meet you in the next virtual class. Till then, bye.